Now, another question Susan had was about masks. Like, why sometimes I will use select all or show all, and sometimes it is hide all. Because if you want to have a mask, if you want to add this hide all and show all, what you want to do is it depends on what you actually want. So for example, if I go to my picture here, if I want to make a mask or I want to make an effect, and what I would like to do is show their face, well, I might decide to first add the new mask to hide all, and then because it's black, I'm going to use my paintbrush and use the white. I have to load it. Brushes always take a long time to load. Not sure why. Maybe because I have too many. At least it's not frozen. I hope. Come on. So you have to remember that the black will block and white's a window. So if you want to show a certain part of your photo, you might want to hide everything and then unhide with white, if it can load that thing. Better not be. There, I scared it. So now I can use my brush and with low hardness, where I will paint in white, it will show around. Okay. So in this case, I started with something black where I added my mask or my selection on the area I want to keep. I put it in white to show off. Sometimes, like I did earlier with the example from Marvin, my shape was black. So if I had done the same thing and started with hide all would be black, then I would have added my black shape. It would not have shown. In that case, I started with white so I could add the black. And if I'm not happy with that black versus white, then I do the negative image. So sometimes it depends on what you have available. Also, let's say that I'm going to undo this. I'm going to promote this. Let's say that I have a raster here and I'm going to find, let's see, a pattern. Just going to do very quickly. Let's say I have wood and I'm going to make here. Let's say that I want to make the center disappear. Well, I can do the other way around and I can say, first, I'm going to show all. So it's white. And then I can use my brush. I hope it won't take as long, okay? And I can brush in black where I want the next layer below to show through. So in this case, I have the middle is blocked from the wood, so I can actually see below. So it just depends on the order of your layers and what you want to achieve with that. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!